Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm the lead product specialist here at ConvertKit, and I wanted to go over the most common fear that new email marketers have when they first start emailing their audience, and that is, what if I send so many emails that people get annoyed with me and then they send me hate mail or they unsubscribe? What is the perfect amount of emails in order to send? Well, I will cut right to the chase. I think based on the thousands of accounts I have seen, as well as my own personal ConvertKit account, the ideal amount of emails is between 1 and 3 emails per week. Now let me get into why that is the case. Well, first of all, the only time I've ever had someone say that they were angry about an email I sent or they were upset was when I was sending too few emails, believe it or not. And I had only been emailing my audience maybe once a month or once every other month. And I sent out a big email blast, a big broadcast to all of my audience, announcing something, and I got a couple emails back saying, "Who are you?" My audience had completely forgotten who I was. And when I email more frequently on like 1 or 2 or 3 emails a week, that is no longer an issue. People know who I am, and I've never had someone email me being upset saying that I'm sending too many emails. If anything, they will just kind of quietly unsubscribe, but I don't think I have a very particularly high unsubscribe rate either. I think it's pretty average. So let me go into my personal account and show you some tricks that I have seen other people use that I have kind of adopted into my own account, which is, okay, you have a evergreen newsletter sequence like I have right here, and you want to send this out on a regular basis, but you also want to send broadcasts occasionally announcing kind of very timely things that need to be sent right away. But you don't want to send way too many emails. So what I do is with my evergreen newsletter sequence, I make sure that it only sends on Tuesdays. You can see right here. So if you go into your settings for your ConvertKit account, you can make this sequence send only on Tuesdays or certain days. You can make it Tuesdays and Saturdays or what have you. And then when you go back into content, I just have the delay be 1 day. So that way it will send an email on Tuesday, and then the next time it will get a chance to send is next Tuesday, because every email in the sequence is like that. So now if I want to send a broadcast, something very timely that is time sensitive, I will make sure that I send that on a Thursday, or really any other day besides Tuesday. And so that is a trick that I've picked up from some larger email marketers, and I find it to work particularly well. So maybe you can adapt it and use it in your own account.